7056 23rd Avenue Northeast. Doing a camera inspection of the private line. This is the shared line tie-in with the neighbor and the neighboring property. We're going to pull back from here through concrete pipe. Alright, here's the transition leaving the house. You can see multiple breaks in the line. This whole backside of this turn is broken. Big gap there on the bottom as well. Top, it's basically all destroyed right there. This is 7 feet deep right outside the house. Now we're coming back into the cast iron here. Turns. You'll notice a couple different pieces of cast iron in here, and we cannot really see where exactly this is coming from.